Okay, it started. So from every support zone, there's a resistance zone, right? Can you hear me? Yeah, for every support zone, there's a resistance zone, and you could see that we had the support zone right here. It started from um 19th. Do you have to? You can. Sure, just cut. I think it's best you stay online. Just stay online so you can just hear what I'm saying. No, no, no. That's not a problem. Okay. So, yeah, let's just continue. Alright. So the support zone started. We had the support on 19th of December. That was Friday, right? 19th of December, and you can see how long lasting the support zone can last for. Like till now, or the time of this recording is 28th of December, Sunday. Yes, and the support zone is still valid, like it's still strong. Price have bounced from this support zone like one time. Okay, I'll just map it now. I'll use this box to. The first support is this one time. The second is this one, two times. The third, numerous times. This one is three times. We have the fourth bounce, which made a huge impulsive move to the resistance zone. We had another comeback again. So we are bounced from this particular support zone five times. Yes. And yeah. And for that's what Bitcoin is doing right now. And for the resistance zone, which is okay. Yes, it's signal for buying signal. It's a buying signal at the support zone, right? At the support zone, buying signal. I'll look into candlesticks right now. It just brought my you know my interest to that. So if we look closely in the screen we're seeing. Okay, let me go to the higher time frame, which is the 1 hour. Probably I'll see it there. What we see here is the bullish harami. Yes, you know the bullish harami. Yes. What? How is it formed in the candlestick? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. All right. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. But if we look closely, um, the pattern that was formed is the bullish army, and I will help you understand what it is. We'll look at this day on this day, 24th of December on Wednesday. This bearish candle was formed. A bearish candlestick was formed with long lower shadow. You understand that, right? Yes, the lower shadow was so is yeah, exactly. It is. Yeah. So yeah, it was formed and it caused a fake out or a fake break of structure, right? Yes, that what happened. And afterwards, there was a candlestick like the doji candlestick. You know how the doji candlestick is being formed now with wick above and wick below, with just a small real body, right? So that particular doji candlestick was formed within this bearish low white shadow candlestick. It was formed within the high and the low. That means we never had a break of structure below this previously formed bearish candlestick, and we never had the break of structure above this previously formed bearish candlestick. You understand? Okay. So our signal was after the break of structure. After this candlestick was formed, there was a move to the higher side. That is the bullish impulsive move. If you see it right here, there was a bullish impulsive move. After that, that was our buying signal. We sent the signal actually to the channel, right? Yeah. So after that, we anticipated the move. The move was the ABC strategy, if you remember. Exactly. So I'll still draw it again for the sake of this video. We have the A move, the B move right here, and we have the C move right here. So the C move is the finishing move. What's the C move for? Okay, like if you should explain this C move now to somebody who is just learning about the financial market for the first time, how will you describe this C move to the person? Okay, go on. Confirmation move. Oh, that's correct. That's very correct. Yeah. So the C move confirms that yeah the C move confirms that the ABC strategy was in line with our strategy right here, with our anticipation right here. So we had we had the confirmation of this anticipation from the breakout of this harami candlestick. Okay. Yes. After this harami candlestick was formed in the support zone, we took it into consideration as a bullish signal. Yes. So that's yes, a bullish harami. Exactly, exactly. You read the candlestick trading Bible. Yes, I will get it across to you. We thank God. Yeah. So that's it for the support and resistance video. So you know most times we look to buy Bitcoin, especially right now in the quarter four session. Bitcoin is bullish. It's always going to end bullish. Right? You know that, right? Okay. For everything that we pay Bitcoin like this. Yes, I mean like it is. I strongly believe we're going to see a breakout from this resistance zone. From this resistance zone at the $89,290 level. I strongly believe we'll see a breakout very soon. You understand? Yes, they are upward. Okay, that's good. That's good. Um, it's actually 11 minutes in this record right now. So um, I think this comes. I'll just give you a quick tips before we round up. Okay. What? No, no, not at all. I love the engagement. Uh, we'll do this almost like every day. I just wish you can do it every day. Yeah. Right. You're welcome. Thank God. Um. Okay, let's get back to the chart right here. In the chart, we could see that this, like we said, the support zone started like 19th of December. That was Friday, 2025. And within this period of time, within this period of 19th of December to 25th of December or 28th of December rather, we have made couple of trades. That is because of strategy. We can't just be waiting for price to bounce off the support zone or the resistance zone before making a trade. You can see within this time, within the 19th to the 28th, we have made several trades. I've made several winning trades. Yeah. Going from starting from the the candlestick pattern that was formed, the hierarchy candlestick pattern that was formed, um, onto the simple ABC strategy. Supply and demand zone strategy actually gave us an entry right here. This one was a sell, a short term sell. It was a short term sell from the supply zone. We had the mitigation to the resistance zone. The resistance zone, caused a break of structure. You know about change of character. It is mostly used by SMC traders. Smart money concept. Smart money concept is is a concept, as the name implies, right? Yeah. It, with this smart money concept, you can, identify where the smart money is coming in the market. The smart money is the big banks, of, is the financial institution that buy Bitcoin, that sell Bitcoin. Those big whales that when they come, they shake the market. Those guys are the Yeah, those guys are the smart money. Yes, exactly. Yes, treasury company too. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yes. So how we knew the step in the market is after this change of character. It's a smart money concept. Okay. In this video, um, there was a mitigation to the supply zone, right? In fact, the supply or the resistance zone rather. Af- After the resistance zone, price made a retracement to like um let's say 20% of the bullish structure, because after our ABC strategy played out, our ABC strategy played out to the resistance zone. That was how powerful it was. Yes. So um I think it is more better with with demonstration on the screen, because you can easily see the patterns. I will just draw the past form now. There was a low formed, just like a higher high and higher low, right? Yes. For for a bullish structure, we have higher highs, higher highs, and higher lows, right? And for a bearish structure, how does a bearish structure form? What the structure of a bearish market? Okay, exactly. Good. So that, that's very correct. Yes. Okay. Thank God. So we had the higher high formed, the higher low first, and the higher high formed right after. But what happened is very interesting in the next the next move. It was a huge bearish candlestick, or a bearish engulfing candlestick. Yes. So what does the bearish engulfing candlestick indicate? Yes. Tell me within tell, tell, tell me within tell me within a buy or a sell, what will a bearish candlestick form? Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. After the bearish candlestick form, I see.
I see the red bearish candlestick. After the red bearish candlestick is formed, do we have a buy or a sell? Exactly. Correct. So you answer the question, oh, if it's a buy or a sell. Yes. Okay. A sell, right? That's very correct. That's very correct. And that was what happened here. It gave us a win of 3.32 weeks to reward ratio. Yes. It was okay, you can ask. Yeah, confirmation. Yeah. Okay. 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 I understand your question perfectly. And what I'll tell you is one thing is confluence, right? You know what confluence is? Okay. Confluence is like a strategy. Okay. In confluence, you need 2 to 3 confirmations that actually tells you that okay, this is your strategy playing out. In this case, our confluence number one is that price tapped in the resistance zone. Confluence number one, price tapping the resistance zone. Confluence number two, we had a bearish engulfing candlestick, right? Yes. And then the confluence number three is from the confirmation, price mitigated the supply zone that was formed by the bearish candlestick. Yes. That was exactly where the smart money came in. They push price all the way from the meaning of what? SMC. Okay, all those set of strategy are our confluence. Okay, so those are our confluence. Yeah. It's a set of strategy, right? It's a set of strategy that confirms your anticipation. Do you know about the A trade? ACE. ACE. Yes. Yeah. Okay, what's the C for? C. Try. You can remember. exactly. A yeah. So exactly. Execution, exactly. Okay. So that that is what our confluence does. Our confluence help us to anticipate the market, to confirm that our strategy is going to play out, and then we execute from there with the right confluence. Yes. That in confluence, our confluence is basically trade Bitcoin like David. You understand? Yes, exactly. Okay, that's good. You can ask a question before we round up. No, it's okay. I can answer you in simple terms, right? In a fake book of structure, I think it all depends on the time frame we're looking at. Yes, yes, yes. Because if okay, in the 5 minutes time frame now, we usually have the internal range structure, right? Internal range structure is the opposite of the external range structure. Just like we have the external structure of the body of the human body, and we also have the internal structure of the human body that has to do with skeleton, right? So like this 5 minutes time from now is more like the skeletal structure of the market, because it's the internal range structure of the market. Structure, exactly. Exactly. Okay. So when okay, so yeah, you can continue. I can hear you. Can you hear me? Okay, with that being said, that comes to the end of our tutorial for today. And um, if you enjoyed the tutorial, you learned something, just um, like, share, comment. So, okay, all right. So that comes to the end of our tutorial for today. Looking into support and resistance zone, supply and demand, ABC strategy, the whole confluence we were using to trade this market, the Bitcoin market, and making profits. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want you to support us by liking, share the video with like-minded folks, traders out there who need clarity in the market, who also like trading Bitcoin, or who might be interested. You never know, just share on your social media handle, like, comment, so um, you know, YouTube and TikTok get to push this video across so many users. Also comment if you have a question, and I'll do it to respond. Trade Bitcoin like David on Telegram. Send a message and I'll do it to respond to your messages. I'll see you on the next one. Yes, sir.